Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So class, in the previous session, as you all know, that we were on exercise 11.2 in which we were discussing the word problems related to the measurement of capacities. So in the today's session, I'm going to continue with the same topic, that is exercise 11.2. So first of all, I'll just write on the topic here, that is chapter number 11, measurement of capacity, exercise 11.2. The exercise is 11.2. So in the last session we had done up to question number 6. So let's begin with question number 7. So the question number 7 is, Arun bought 30-liter petrol for his car. He went to see the Taj and used 3 upon 4th of the petrol. How much petrol is left in his car? Okay, so देखिए the total quantity of milk that is bought by Arun is 30 liter. Okay, then मतलब उन्होंने अपने पेट्रोल कार में 30 liter petrol डलवाया. Then he went to see the Taj. Okay, then he went to see the Taj Mahal. Okay, and while traveling he used 3/4 of the petrol that he has bought. Now we need to find out how much petrol is left in this car. So that means total quantity is given 3/4. The fraction of the petrol is used is given. So first of all we need to find out the number for the fraction, and then we will find out the petrol left. So write down total petrol bought, total petrol bought, that is equal to 30 liters. Next, petrol used, that is 3/4 of 30 liter, and we need to find out petrol left. So for that we will subtract the 3/4 of 3 liter 30 liter from total 30 liter. Okay, so we need to do this. So first of all we need to find out the number for this. So 3/4 of 30 liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So this is 3/4 of 1 liter into 1000 ml. Okay, or you can 30 divided by 9. Okay, so 30 liter is equal to 30 into 1000 is equal to 30,000 ml. Now we can find out 3/4 of 30,000. So 3 into 3, this is 9, 3 3s are 9. This is 90,000 upon 4. Okay, so 90,000 upon 4. Okay, so 90,000, give me a minute. So 90,000 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. 1, bring down 0. 4 2s are 8. This is 2. 4 5s are 20. 0. Okay. Now these two zeros you can directly put it here. So this is 22,500 liter. sorry, milliliter. Okay, so this is 22,500 milliliter. So this is equal to 22,500 milliliter. Now just subtract it from the total. So 22,500 milliliter is equal to 22 liter 500 milliliter. Now we can easily subtract. So subtract it from the total. This is liter, milliliter, 000 minus 22 liter 500 milliliter. So this is 0, 0. Carry from here, this will become 2, 9 and 10. 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 2, 7, 2 minus 2, 0. So how much petrol is left in his car? That is 7 liter 500 milliliter. So write down, therefore 7 liter 500 milliliter petrol is left in his car. Okay, so just give me a minute. So this is the quantity of petrol that is being left in his car. Okay, and this is the solution for the question number 9 as well. You can pause it here. Sorry, question number. So this is the question number 7 of exercise 11.2. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the question number 8. So let's move to the question number 8. The question number 8 is, a milk vendor sold 25 liter 500 milliliter milk on Monday and thrice of that amount on Tuesday. How much milk did he sell in 2 days? So milk seller, he sold 25 liter 500 milk in 1 day. एक दिन उसने 25 liter 500 milliliter milk बेचा, and on Tuesday he sold the thrice. Thrice means 3 times of that milk. So that means for calculating the milk sold, he sold on Tuesday, we will multiply the milk sold on Monday with 3. Okay, only then we will get the milk he sold on Tuesday, and then we need to find out total milk he sold in 2 days. So the total milk sold in 2 days we can calculate by adding these two. Okay, so लिखिए milk sold on Monday, question number 8. Milk sold on Monday is equal to 25 liter 500 milliliter milk sold on Tuesday. So that is 25 liter 500 milliliter into 3. So let's calculate 25 liter 500 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So 25 will be multiplied with 3. Sorry, will be multiplied with 1000 to convert it into milliliter. Plus 500 is already milliliter. This is 25,000 ml plus 500 ml. So this is 25,500 milliliter. So this is the total quantity of milk sold on So this is the total quantity of milk sold on Monday in milliliters. Now let's calculate milk sold on Tuesday. So 25,500 multiplied by 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 fives are 15, 3 5 are 15 plus 1 16, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. So this is 76,500 ml. So this is the quantity of milk sold on Tuesday. Okay. Therefore, milk sold on Tuesday is equal to 76,500 ml or 76 liter 500 milliliter. Okay, so this is the milk sold on Tuesday. Now we need to calculate total milk sold in 2 days. Total milk sold in 2 days. Added liter, milliliter. Milk sold on Monday is 25 liter 500 milliliter. Milk sold on Tuesday is 76 liter 500 milliliter. 0, 0, 10, 5, 6, 11 plus 1, 12, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. So total milk sold in 2 days is 102 liters. So write down the solution sentence. Therefore, question was how much milk did he sell in 2 days? Therefore, he sold total 102 liter 102 liter. Therefore, he sold total 102 liter milk in 2 days. Full stop. So this is the quantity of milk is sold by him in 2 days, that is 102 liters. Clear? So this is the solution for the question number 8. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the question number 9. Question number 9 is okay, this is question number 9. The question number 9 is 6 bottles of Coke having 500 ml were shared equally among 12 friends at a birthday party. How much Coke did each of them drink? So there were total 6 bottles and the capacity of each bottle of Coke was 500 milliliter. So and each of them, so this total quantity of, so whatever the total quantity of Coke is there, that was equally distributed or drank by, the Coke is drank by between 12 friends. Now we need to find out what is the quantity of milk that is being drunk by each friend. So total quantity, so total bottles is 6 and the quantity of each bottle is 500. So first of all we will calculate the total quantity of Coke. Okay, number of bottles is equal to 6, quantity of each bottle is equal to 500 ml. Total quantity of in 6 bottles. That is 500 ml into 6. 6 5 is 30. This is 3000 ml. The total quantity of Coke in 6 bottles is 3000 ml. Okay, now the total, okay, so this 3000 ml, a 3 liter Coke is equally distributed or shared amongst 12 friends. Now we need to find out that how much or what quantity of Coke is being drank by each friend. So number of friends, number of friends is equal to 12. Number of friends is equal to 12. Share of each friend. So for that we will divide the total quantity, that is 3000 ml with 12. Okay, so let's divide 3000 with 12. 12 twos are 24. This is 6 0. Bring down 0. Now the number is 60. Okay, so this is 60. 12 fives are 60. 60 minus 60 is 0. Bring down next 0. 12 zeros are 0. Nothing. So that is 250 ml. So this is the quantity of, this is the quantity of cold drink that is being taken by each friend or drank by each friend. The question was how much Coke did each of them drink. Therefore, each of them drank 250 ml of Coke. Okay. So this is the solution for the question number 9. You can pause it here and note it down in your books. Moving next to the question number 10, the last question of the exercise 11.2. But it is divided into 3 different parts. So let's begin with the question number 10. Okay. So the question number 10 is, if the cost of 1 liter of cough syrup is 480 rupees and 40 paisa, find the cost of 500 ml. Okay. So just like the previous question that we had done in the last chapter, so we all know the first one is 500 ml. So 500 ml is equal to half liter. Okay, तो लिखिए question number 10, A part, cost of, or you can write, so first of all we will do the conversion. So 500 ml is equal to 1/2 liter. Cost of 1 liter, cost of 1 liter cough syrup is equal to 480 rupees and 40 paisa. We need to find cost of 1/2 liter of cough syrup. So that is, for that we will find out of rupees 48. Okay, so for that we need to find out 1/2 of 140 rupees, 180 rupees and 40 paisa. Okay, so 480 rupees 40 multiply 1 upon 2. 42 rupees into 40 paisa into 1 is equal to 480 rupees and 40 paisa divided by 2. So 480 rupees 40 paisa divided by 2. 2 twos are 4, 0, bring down 8, 4, 2 fours are 8, 0, bring down 2 zeros are 0, bring down 4, 2 twos are 4, 0, 2 zeros are 0, nothing. So this is, okay, now this is 2 point, okay, so this is 240 rupees and 20 paisa. So this is the cost of 1/5 ml of cough syrup. Therefore, the cost of 500 ml cough syrup is 240 rupees and 20 paisa. And this is also the solution of the A part of question number 10. So rest of the parts B and the C that we will do in the next session. Okay. So this is from my today's session as well class. So with this I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a great day.